Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a demo, and a review of the lange products. And I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but lange. And I've already opened the boxes just so I don't have to fuss with it on camera, but I haven't looked inside the boxes yet. So I stumbled across this company, had never heard of it before, but Facebook ads, things like that. So I saw it on a Facebook ad and I'm like, okay. And most of the girls, except for one girl that I saw use these products, were Caucasian, but they seemed like really good products for flat ironing your hair, and they're always having some type of sale going on. So after I use these products, if I like them, if I recommend them, if you purchase them, never purchase them at full price because they always are having some type of sale, whether it's 5 products for $45 or use this coupon code and you get this item free or what so have you. So what I did was I did the spend over $29 and get the flat iron free. I believe it was something like that. And then I did the half off on the hair products. So what I'll show you first is the half off on the hair products. And that's in this small box here. I made 2 separate orders because you can't use 2 coupon codes. So let's open it up. So when you first open it up, this is what it looks like. On top, you have your packing slip to remind you what you purchased. And then you have each of your products, and they come individually wrapped in some plastic. So the first product we got is the Sorbet Botanical Smoothing Balm with biotin and coconut oil, conditions and straightens. Okay. And so it says a botanical rich leave-in conditioner and softening balm. Use as directed. It straightens and controls curly and frizzy hair for maximum manageability and shine. A fusion of a deep conditioning treatment and a finishing product. UV absorber protects against color fading. Great for thick and coarse hair. Paraben free. So I'm excited to use this product. Our next product is the Posh hair polish, thermal safe laminating gel, shine smooth, conditioner infused with botanicals. This one looks really cool. It has like shimmers in it. Anyways, it's infused with botanical extracts. It says Posh hair polish protects against thermal damage as it polishes the hair for a brilliant shine while sealing frayed and frizzy ends. Helps reduce drying time as it conditions and maintains a healthy scalp. Paraben-free and great for all hair types. So that one. And then I got the Satin Nectar Nourishing Gloss. And this one actually comes with a seal on it. These other ones didn't, but maybe they've had issues with this leaking in the past, so they put a seal on it. And so this one says vitamins A, C, and E, coconut and sunflower seed oil, rich in antioxidants and vitamins A, C, E for conditioning, protection, and anti-aging, leaves hair feeling soft and natural with a healthy looking shine, best for thick, coarse, or hard to tame hair. Okay, so that's all that was in this little box here. In this next box, what I purchased is buy a certain amount of products and then you get the ceramic flat iron for free. And if you don't already know, I like ceramic flat irons over titanium flat irons because titanium flat irons get so much hotter than ceramic flat irons. And when I did get the little bit of heat damage that I got in my journey, it's when I was using the Babyliss titanium flat iron. It's a really good flat iron, okay? But over time, it just caused damage to my hair. So if you guys know, my favorite flat iron right now is the purple Remington flat iron, which is a ceramic flat iron. And so since this one was ceramic, they also have titanium, lange does. But I wanted the ceramic, so I was like, it comes for free with the products. So if I don't like the flat iron, I don't have to feel bad about it. This is what this one looks like. when you get it, just paper thrown in there. And again, each product comes individually wrapped. So the first thing is the Thermal Magique Heat and Humidity Tamer. It says keratin, chamomile, and burdock root extracts, thermal protection, volume, and light hold, formulated for use on hair extensions as well as your natural hair. Thermal Magique provides optimal care and protection against heat damage caused by styling tools. Keratin strengthens hair, while chamomile extract soothes and adds shine. Burdock root extract nourishes the hair from root to tip, promoting circulation and encouraging a healthy scalp, adds volume and a light hold that remains soft and brushable. So, yes. The next one I got is the Rival Heat Shield. Keratin-infused chamomile extract locks out humidity. This one says specially formulated for use with thermal styling tools. This product, or this spray rather, helps prevent damage and provides all-day hold and polish. Keratin protein adds strength, while chamomile extract soothes and adds shine. Hair is left brushable, volumized, paraben-free. And then the last and final hair product that I got is the Replenish Detangling Conditioning Spray. Pro Vitamin B5 and wheat amino acids, aloe, chamomile, sage, and lemon balm. I just love their packaging. That's what kind of hooked me. Is it's a very professional looking brand, but when I was looking at the videos, it seemed very like user friendly. And I saw only one African American girl use these products, and her hair turned out good, but she was, I don't remember if she was relaxed or natural. I think she was natural. I don't know. But anyways, I got hooked, and everything was on sale, so there you have it. Their marketing strategy worked. All right, formulated with botanical extracts, this lightweight leave-in detangler conditions, adds body and maintains a healthy scalp. UV protectant helps color from fading, paraben-free. So, in total, that's 6 products. The last product is the flat iron. Here it is. It's a blush pink color, and we'll go ahead and open it. But it's called the Lange Aplatir Straightener. It says this lightweight, easy-to-use flat iron is a must-have staple for hairstyling. Tourmaline-infused ceramic flat iron boasts 400% more negative ion output than ceramic alone. That means reduced frizz and smooth, shiny-looking tresses. Rounded edges and precision floating plates create versatile styling that make creating pin-straight styles or soft waves quick, easy, and painless. Plates glide through the hair with zero snagging or damage. Best for all hair types, heat protectant recommended. And so some of the things, like the features and stuff that I didn't mention, is it's corrosion and stain resistant, ultra polished plates, repels residue, and locks in silkiness and shine. It just has a simple on and off switch. It has an adjustable round knob for easy heat settings between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. So let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so very nice looking box. Has a magnetic latch there. And this is what it looks like inside the box. Very beautiful packaging. It says Lange Chic Hair for the Modern Woman. So here's the actual flat iron and the cord. And then at the very bottom is the instructions for use. Let's see how it feels. It feels coated. Is the word. It feels coated. Okay, the plates do meet, which is good. They're short plates. My Remington, the plates are a little bit longer, but that's what that particular Remington is known for. microchip temperature control. This is what it looks like inside. That's the little dial. But it feels coated like, it's not like smooth, it's kind of like a matte finish. It feels coated like it's simply just kind of, I don't know, painted on there. But we'll see what kind of results it gives you, because that's what's most important. It's not really important if it feels coated, but the results it gives you guys. So anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and wash my hair. Now for the shampoo, the condition, deep condition phase, I'll be using products outside of Lange, but after I wash my hair and rinse it out, every product that I use will only be out of these Lange hair products so that I can tell you guys my honest feelings about these products. So I'm super excited, and like I said, even if the flat iron isn't that great, I'm really hoping that these products are, because you heard the descriptions. I mean, it sounds amazing, right? So I will let you guys know, and I'll see you guys in part 2 of this video. Bye, guys.